Registering a Cooper&Hunter product warranty is quick and easy. First, visit cooper&hunter.us and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click the Warranty button located in the top right corner of the page. Next, select Register Your Product at the bottom left of the warranty page. Review the privacy policy and click to agree before continuing. On the registration form, switch the registration mode to Contractor and enter all required contractor information. Before proceeding, make sure to enter your Cooper&Hunter Pro Tech Member number. If you've signed in using your existing account, this information should already be filled in automatically, helping ensure you receive all eligible Pro Tech benefits, including extended warranty coverage when applicable. Then, fill out the product details, including the installation address, serial number, model information, and any other required field. Be sure to double-check that all information is accurate before submitting. As a reminder, product warranties must be registered within 60 days of installation to qualify for warranty coverage. Once your registration is complete, submit the form and you'll receive an email confirmation verifying that your product warranty has been successfully registered. And don't forget, when you join our loyalty program, you'll gain access to extended warranty coverage, along with additional exclusive benefits designed to support your business and reward your commitment to Cooper&Hunter. Thank you for choosing Cooper&Hunter.